Hello beautiful children! Happy Fruity Friday! Today I'm going to show you how to make a fish snack using fruits. Are you ready? Let's get started! These are the ingredients that we need. We need strawberries and blueberries. We also need a knife to help us with the cutting. Remember, when you're using a knife, you have to be careful and you need a grown-up to be with you. First, take one strawberry and remove the leaf. You can just twist and then you can remove the leaf. Once you remove the leaf of the strawberry, use a knife to cut into slices. Once you cut the strawberry into slices, take out the slice and cut one triangle, and then you can decorate your strawberry into a plate. Turn the strawberry around and put the triangle at the back, just like this. Now I'm going to start cutting the other slices. Put the slice of the strawberry on your plate, cut a small triangle and place it on a plate. Put the triangle at the back. And now I'm going to do one more. Put the slice of strawberry and cut a triangle. And then place it on a plate, just like this. Next, I'm going to cut my blueberries. Get your blueberries and cut it into half. And place half of your blueberry on the strawberry. Ta-da! You can also place other blueberries next to your fishes. Pretend it as bubbles. My fruity fish snack is ready. Do you like my fish snack? Hope you're having fun making them at home. Bye!